Hello students, myself Professor S.P. Singla. Today we will take another topic of physics plus 2, that is force on a moving charge in force on a moving charge in magnetic field. For this, let us consider suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. Let us suppose the field B is along y-axis. So let us consider a charge Q which is moving with a velocity v in a magnetic field. We are considering a charge which is moving with a velocity v in the magnetic field, making an angle theta with the direction of magnetic field. Now this moving charge Q experiences a force F such that number 1, the magnitude of force F is directly proportional to the charge, magnitude of charge. The magnitude of force F is directly proportional to the magnitude of charge. And second, the magnitude of force F is directly proportional to the component of velocity v in the direction perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. So this v has two components. One is this v cos theta. Other component is in this direction. This is v sin theta, and this component is v cos theta. So the second point is the magnitude of force is directly proportional to the component of velocity in a direction perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. That is v sin theta. Magnetic field के perpendicular जो component है v का उसके directly proportional. And next, the magnitude of magnetic field, the magnitude of this force is directly proportional to the applied magnetic field. That is F is proportional to B. If we combine 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 को अगर combine कर दें, F is proportional to Q V B Q V B sin theta. That is F is proportional to K Q V B sin theta, where K is the constant of proportionality. K constant of proportionality है, तो experimentally value of K is found to be 1. F is equal to QV B sin theta. Here I omitted B. QVB sin theta. So this is the magnitude of force. we can write it in vector form. F is equal to Q V cross B. This is F. Q V cross B. This is the vector form. So the direction of F की डायरेक्शन क्या होगी? It is perpendicular to the plane. Is perpendicular the plane containing V and B. जिस प्लेन में V and B है उसके परपेंडिकुलर होगा and is given by राइट हैंड थंब रूल. तो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट में जो राइट हैंड थंब रूल है उसी के मुताबिक इसकी डायरेक्शन होगी और गिवन बाय राइट हैंड स्क्रू रूल. दोनों में से कोई भी लगा सकता है. नाउ व्हाट आर द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम फोर्स? Maximum and minimum force, number one, if theta is equal to 0 degree or 180 degree, that is charge Q moves parallel or anti-parallel to the magnetic field. If the charge moves parallel or anti-parallel to the magnetic field, then theta is 0 degree or 180 degree. And as such, sin 0 degree is equal to sin 180 degree is equal to 0. तो इसको पुट करेंगे एफ में क्या आ जाएगा? 0 आ जाएगा. Second, if theta is equal to 90 degree, that is the charge Q moves at right angle to the magnetic field. If the charge Q moves at right angle to the magnetic field B, then what is F? F is equal to QVB sin 90 is equal to QVB. So this is the maximum force and this is minimum force. Now and the third point is if theta is equal to 270 degree, थीटा 270 डिग्री है तो साइन 270 is -1. Then F is equal to QVB sin 270, that is minus QVB. The direction of force will be reversed. If theta is 90 degree, then it is plus QVB. If it is 270 degree, then its direction is reversed, that is minus QVB. and fourth, if V is equal to 0, then force is also equal to 0. That is charged particle at rest. In a magnetic field. Charged particle at rest in a magnetic field experience no force. If a charged particle is at rest in a magnetic field, it experiences no force. Next is, what is work done by magnetic force on the charge? What is the work done by magnetic force on the charge? Work done by magnetic force on the charge is 0, because F is always at right angle to the motion of charge, that is V. In this case, the case we have considered, in this case the vector of force will be like this, perpendicular to the plane of, that is will be along opposite direction, V cross V. Next is, what is Lorentz force? What is Lorentz force? Lorentz force is when a charged particle having charge Q having charge Q moves in a region where both electric field E and magnetic field B exists. Then it experiences a net force called Lorentz force. मीन्स अगर कोई चार्ज पार्टिकल ऐसी जगह मूव कर रहा है जहां पे दोनों इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड दोनों प्रेजेंट है, तो उस पर जो नेट फोर्स लगेगी बट इज दैट इज कॉल्ड लॉरेंट्ज फोर्स. बट इज लॉरेंट्ज फोर्स F. This is vector sum of force due to electric field and force due to magnetic field. That is F is equal to what is force due to electric field QE, and what is force due to magnetic field Q V cross B, that is Q E plus B cross B. So this is the Lorentz force acting on a particle moving in a region where both electric and magnetic field exist. The next is defining magnetic field in terms of force on a moving charge. Definition of magnetic field in terms of force on a moving charge. What is Fm? That is force due to magnetic field. This is given by Q VB sin theta. So from here, what is B? That is magnetic force due to magnetic field divided by QB sin theta. Now if we take Q is equal to 1, V is equal to 1 and theta is equal to 90 degree, then what is B? B is Fm upon 1 into 1 into sin 90, which is 1. That is Fm. So B is equal to Fm. So here, from here, we can derive the definition of magnetic field. That is intensity of magnetic field at a point intensity of magnetic field at a point is defined as force experienced by a unit charge moving with a unit velocity perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. What is B? B is the force experienced by B is the force B at a point is defined as force experienced by a unit charge moving with a unit velocity perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. Okay, so that is definition of B. So from here we can derive the SI unit of magnetic field. So the SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla, represented by capital T. 1 Tesla is equal to 1 Tesla किसके बराबर आएगा? इस फार्मूले पुट करेंगे अगर हम 1 न्यूटन अपॉन, ठीक है, क्यू 1 कूलम इंटू वेलोसिटी 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड, दैट इज एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, दैट इज 1 न्यूटन अपॉन, तो आएगा 1 कूलम अपॉन 1 कूलम, कूलम के नीचे आ गया सेकेंड, इंटू 1 मीटर, दैट इज न्यूटन पर एम्पियर मीटर, ठीक है, और 1 न्यूटन पर एम्पियर पर मीटर. दिस इज डेफिनेशन ऑफ 1 टेस्ला. दिस इज ऐसा यूनिट. इसकी डेफिनेशन टेस्ला की, 1 टेस्ला इज दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. एक टेस्ला वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है इन विच चार्ज ऑफ 1 कूलम moving with a velocity of 1 meter per second at right angle to the magnetic field experiences a force of 1 न्यूटन. ठीक है, 1 टेस्ला जो है, इट इज दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इन विच a charge of 1 coulomb moving with the velocity of 1 meter per second at right angle to the magnetic field experiences a force of 1 Newton. Now, the CGS unit of the CGS unit of magnetic field is Gauss, represented by G. तो 1 Gauss जो है that is equal to 10⁻⁻⁴ Tesla. This is the relation between CGS unit and SI unit. And what is the differential formula?